Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to create color correction floating shortcut button in Realme 14x phone. First we need to go to settings. Then in settings we're looking for accessibility and convenience options menu. Then accessibility, and next in the vision tab at the top we're looking for the color correction. Here it is. Now here is the shortcut option. So we can enable shortcut by tapping this option, and here we have two options available. We can have accessibility button and we can have volume keys. So we need to agree to this. Now we need to open the shortcut options. Next we need to tap more options, and then we need to change the location of our button. By default we have navigation bar here at the bottom, and we want the floating button. So we need to tap it here. And now we have our button that we can move and customize a little bit more. And that's all.